Welcome back to Web 360. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily duplicate pages on your WordPress website. Now, as you can see on my dashboard in here, we are not able to duplicate our pages. If you want to create a page, you have to come up here and click on Add New. But I'm going to show you how you can easily get a duplicate option in here. So to do this, head over to the plugins section here. Now under plugins, we are going to search for a plugin that is called Duplicate Pages. So in the search bar in here, where it says search plugins, just type duplicate and hit enter. Now, after you hit enter, you see a plugin that says duplicate page. Now, this plugin allows you to duplicate pages, custom posts easily using a single click. So just go ahead and install. I've already installed it, so I need to go ahead and activate. Once the plugin is activated, let's head over back to our pages panel again. Now in here, now you can see we have the option that says duplicate this. So this will allow us to easily duplicate a page and it will make our work in our WordPress website very, very easy. So you go ahead and just click on duplicate this and it will create a new draft of a copy of that page. So as you can see here, we have a new draft in here which you can use or edit as a new page. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.